Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Good Seed Investing. Today's episode is going to be about how to open a brokerage account. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Step one would be to choose your brokerage account. I have a few listed here that I have used before or that actually come recommended. So we have Robinhood, Webull. They're some of your beginner type brokerage accounts for users who are not as advanced. TD Ameritrade, which I actually highly recommend. Their customer service is excellent, and they will actually even schedule appointments to help walk you through how to use their software and their program. E-Trade and Fidelity are a couple of the other ones that you may be familiar with. I know a lot of times companies actually work with like Fidelity with 401ks and things like that. So just giving you a heads up that there's a lot of options out there, but you want to just, make the right decision based on your specific needs. Okay. Step two, we want to begin the application process. Yes, there is an application process. So it's very similar to opening a checking or a savings account that you would open with any of your regular banks or credit unions. You're going to need information like your social security number, your date of birth, your address, employment information. This is any of your earnings or winnings are reported to the IRS. So that's one of the main reasons why they're asking for some of your identity information. And then you're going to want to link a bank account to that particular brokerage so that you can make deposits and withdrawals back and forth from the account. Also, most brokerages now have an app that's linked to their company. So not only will you be able to access the brokerage on your laptop or computer, you'll also be able to download the app for that particular brokerage, and you'll be able to trade as well on your phone or tablet as well. All right. Now, step three is going to be to fund the account. So essentially what that means is we're making a deposit into the account so that we can start using those funds to make investments and or trades. Now, with your first deposit, and sometimes your first few, it may take several business days even to clear the account. But there are some brokerages that will offer you instant buying power. One of those I know for sure is Webull. I believe Robinhood also does offer you that instant buying power. And after you're with a brokerage for, quite some time, and you've made several deposits, eventually you'll come to a point where you're not having to wait so many days for your funds to clear anyway. But that instant buying power is awesome because you don't have to wait at all for your funds to clear. You can start trading or investing immediately upon initiating that deposit. And the last step is step 4, which is start investing. So this is where you start to make your trades, start to do your dollar cost averaging if you're investing on a consistent basis, and just hopefully watching your money grow in the investment account. So real short, sweet episode today. Just wanted to make sure that I put this out there for those who may have been intimidated on how to open a brokerage account. It's really not hard, guys. It's really simple. If you open a checking or savings account before in your life, then you can open a brokerage account. So I thank you all for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and I will see you all on the next episode. Peace.